Hello and welcome to our channel where we explore the world of electronics with easy to follow guides and tips. Ever wondered how tiny electronic parts stay firmly connected on a circuit board? The secret is soldering. Mastering this simple skill can take your electronics projects from messy to professional in no time. Soldering is the process of joining two metal parts using a special alloy called solder, which melts at a relatively low temperature. In simple words, it helps us make strong and reliable electrical connections between wires, components, and circuit boards. Whether you are repairing gadgets or building your own projects, soldering is the foundation of electronics work. Now let's watch the video to understand soldering, its safety rules, and its do's and don'ts in detail.
Whether you're building your first electronics project or repairing a gadget, soldering is a skill every electronics enthusiast must master. In this video, we'll cover soldering rules, pro tips, the step-by-step proper method, and essential safety precautions, so you can solder like a pro and avoid costly mistakes. Soldering is the process of joining two metal parts using a filler metal, called solder, that melts at a low temperature. In electronics, we use it to connect wires, attach components to PCBs, and make reliable electrical connections. Let's start with some golden rules every soldering beginner and pro should follow. Rule 1. Use the right tools. A 25 to 40 watt temperature-controlled iron for electronics work is ideal. Rule 2. Keep your tip clean. Wipe it on a damp sponge or brass wool to remove oxidation. Rule 3. Always tin the tip. Coat it with a thin layer of solder before use. Rule 4. Heat the joint, not the solder. Touch both the pad and lead with the iron, then feed solder into the joint. Rule 5. Aim for shiny joints. Dull, grainy solder means a cold joint, so redo it. Rule 6. Use minimal solder. Too much can cause shorts. Rule 7. Plan your work. Solder small components first, then larger ones. Here's the step-by-step method for a perfect solder joint. So first, step 1. Secure your work. Use a vise or helping hands to hold the PCB steady. Next, step 2. Clean the component leads and pads. Remove old solder if needed. Step 3. Inset the component and bend the lead slightly so it stays in place. For step 4, place the iron tip so it touches both the pad and the lead. Step 5. Feed solder into the joint, not the iron tip, and just let it flow smoothly. Step 6. Remove the solder wire first, then the iron. Step 7. Inspect your work. A good joint should be cone-shaped and shiny. Step 8. Trim extra leads with cutters. And finally, step 9. If you used flux, clean the board with isopropyl alcohol. Safety is just as important as technique. Always remember, wear safety glasses to protect against solder splashes. Work in a well-ventilated space or use a fume extractor. The iron tip can reach 400 degrees Celsius. Never touch it. Handle lead solder carefully and wash your hands after use. Keep flammable items far from your workspace. And turn off the iron when taking breaks or after finishing. Good soldering is all about patience, control, and practice. Follow these rules, use the proper method, and stay safe. And soon you'll be making strong, professional quality joints every time. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a like. Share it with your fellow electronics enthusiasts, and subscribe for more hands-on electronics.